Hello guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you some important privacy settings, okay, on WhatsApp and how to change them. Okay, now open WhatsApp, right, and go to privacy, right, and here is what I'm talking about. Now the first option says last seen and online. All right, so what is this one? Who can see my last scene? If, for example, let's say that one of your friends has sent you, okay, and we can say a message, okay, and if you do not want to let him know if you've seen the message or not, okay, so keep on this option, okay, nobody. So nobody will knows, okay, whether you've seen, right, we can say the message, okay, or that text or even like a photo that been sent to you, okay, they will not be able to do so, okay, so they will not know, okay, whether you've seen it or not. My contacts except, okay, so if you tap on that one, all right, all the contacts, okay, on your device will know that, okay, except the contacts that you choose, okay. My contacts, if I choose tap on that one, right, so it means that if there is like someone else, okay, who has my number but I don't, okay, they will not be able, all right, if they send me a message, okay, and even if I see it, okay, they will not be able, all right, to know whether I have seen or not. Everyone would know, will know that, right, if you keep it on this one. Now I'll change it to nobody, okay. And the second option here, who can see when I'm online, all right, same as last seen. If I keep it like tap on here, all right, so it would be just like the previous we can say steps that I've shown you, okay. And if I tap on everyone, all right, so it means that everyone would see when I'm online, all right, and when I am offline, okay. The other thing here, or I want to change, let you know, guys, is the status, okay. So my contacts, okay, who can see my status updates on WhatsApp, right? Of course, if I tap on my contacts, okay, my contacts would see that, right? My contacts except, okay, this is the other options, okay, only share with, all right, only share with selected contacts. This is the third option available here, all right. So it changes your privacy settings, changes to your privacy settings won't affect status updates that you've sent already, okay. If you've sent something already, okay, it doesn't affect that one, all right. But the most important things were like these ones, okay, guys. Most people actually ask about this one, last seen and online, okay. So keep on nobody, all right, and same as last seen, okay, if you don't want people to know whether you've seen the text or the message that they have sent to you, okay, or to know whether you're online or offline, or when was the last time you were online. I hope it helped, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.